Realme GT 7 Pro is slated to launch in India and globally by the end of the year. However, several speculations and rumors regarding the upcoming phone have already appeared online. Weibo, Tipster digital chat station, has revealed that a new smartphone, likely the Realme GT 7 Pro, will be equipped with the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC, is expected to ship with up to 24 GB of RAM, up to 1 TB of storage. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC is also expected to be featured in phones like the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, OnePlus Open 2, iQOO 13, and Xiaomi 15. Tipster mentioned that the GT 7 Pro will have a flat OLED panel with microcurvature on all four sides. It will offer a 1.5K resolution and LTPO technology. The Realme GT 7 Pro will be Realme's first phone to offer IP69 level dust and water resistance. Also, it will be the company's first phone to feature a single-point ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The upcoming Realme phone might feature a triple camera, a 50-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a Sony IMX882 periscope telephoto camera with support for 3x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, and 120x digital zoom. Realme GT 7 Pro have an around 6000 mAh capacity battery and 100W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.